Okay, so now we've finished up our simple example macro, and we've created a button to run it, and we've tested running it. Let's drill down a little bit into the Visual Basic code and have a quick look just to see how it compares to what we did in the steps that we saw previously. So again, we go to the menu under View and View Macros. This macro called Data Sorted, we're going to open it in the Edit. And I'm just going to make this a little bit easier to see, move this all into the screen, and we'll look through the code that was generated. If you remember, we were starting in the macro dash tab. We selected the data sorted tab, selected the data that we wanted to erase. That's where clear contents comes in. Then we moved over to the data tab. We selected the data we wanted to copy. We copied it, selection copy. We moved back again to data sorted, pasted it into the range that we wanted to, starting with A6, and then we sorted that data using the filter tool. And when we were all finished, we moved back over to the bottom of this code. After sorting, we moved back over to the macro dash, and that's where we ended. This code can be edited and expanded or used as part of a larger group of macros. So in this case, this would be a smaller subroutine, and you can have a series of macros strung together. Indeed, you can even record macros of running macros. There's multiple ways that you can build up different macros and combinations of macros. So I think that's about it for now. I can show another time more details about how to edit the code here in Visual Basic, how you can do things like commenting out for the purposes of debugging, and also for cleaning up and commenting on your code. So I think that's about it for today.